Hi, I'm Shajahan Aboobakar, heading IT audit function of the Islamic Bank. We just now finished a course from Cyber Alliance, the Cyber Incident Planning and Response course. It was an informative and interactive. It has introduced very important concepts and has given us the information to help us achieve our objectives in the cybersecurity breach readiness. I highly recommend other senior executives, either from the bank or any other sector, to attend Cyber Management Alliance CIPR workshop. And to add upon Mr. Amar, who had given us the training, it was an excellent and very helpful for us to give us such a very thoughtful training, and it was a good presentation and definitely was a great training. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Mahir Al-Tamimi from Dubai Islamic Bank. Today we have completed the course, the Cyber Incident Planning and Response course. It has been very informative and interactive. It has introduced very important concept and has given us information to help us to achieve our objective in cybersecurity breach readiness. I highly recommend other senior executives to attend Cyber Management Alliance CIPR workshop. Mr. Ammar has been a very good presenter and trainer.